Okay, this is my dog. Now, you guys are already so sorry about the 2 other episodes. But this year's is reading. So first, I will put out Peanut. He loves doggies. I read this every single night. Well, not every single, like once a day, maybe. And when I am reading, I read the movie of it. I saw the movie on Netflix. You can find it. Chicha, stop being a little clumsy. Maybe after this video, he could take a little nap. And if you go on YouTube and you put peaceful music for dogs, that it has like everything. I subscribed, and it has music for thunder. I used it once for Chicho, and it worked. And when he was tired, I always put the music. And this is his favorite. It's called Golden Retrievers. See? So, he loves all these books. So, if you see any, just tell me. Okay? So now, my dog is going to tell what is his favorite thing to do. Well, his favorite thing to do with me is playing ball, but mostly of all of it is painting. He likes painting with me, and he always is happy. So hang on a minute. I will bring all the painting stuff. And if I don't, then we will play his other favorite game, rock and roll. Let's see. And we always brush his teeth. We brush his teeth with this brush. We use it. See? Okay. Just playing. That's my toothbrush. But we brush his teeth. Okay. And now. Oh, this is such a cute bowl of mine. I'll actually give it to you. Chicho, Okay, so let's paint. So at the end, I'll show you Chicho's drawing. This is actually my school one, but we're not in school, we're in summer. Next week, I'm going to 3rd grade. And we are going to be playing the recorder. And I'm waiting for my dad to buy a new one so I could get it. And my teacher told me to, my music teacher. And then we're gonna get all the shopping stuff. So get up. So let's start painting. Ooh, painting. Let's paint. Paint. Ooh, that's fun. Good job. Good job. So now, look at his painting. Well, I helped him. So, the last thing that I'm telling you is that Chicho, he is a boy, and I'm going to show you his favorite thing ever. And he is going to have so much fun with it. Wait 1 second. Sorry, Chicho. Okay, I'm back. Sorry I took a long time. Mr. Sausage. It's play pretend. Okay. Well, he doesn't really like this game, but right now he's asleep. And I'll show you how he goes to bed. Hold on a second. I'll just go get his bed. So, since he doesn't have a bed because the other one got lost, I make his own bed. Okay. Okay.